rolling. This is Priya and Terry. Priya's the puppy. This is Larry with Protection Dog Cells. And Terry's just gonna show you what this puppy has learned, and it's very, very short little time with him. She's got a nice little sit and a down. And we did the touch right off the go. Back to it, and nice sit again, and down. And we got a rollover coming, and there it is.
Girl, good job.
That's a good girl. An attempt to get her back, and she says, "No way, Jack." But she says, "I'll do the prettiest sit-up you ever seen a puppy do." Nice little spin. And we'll have more for you next week. We don't want to show you too much at one time. That's Priya.